CDTT Testing, Troubleshooting, and Results Analysis. CDTT Testing. Testing Setup. Ensure you are wearing nitrile gloves. Uncap the centrifuge tube with your prepared sample. Pour the prepared sample into the lab sled cup until it reaches just below the bridge, ensuring the liquid does not touch the bridge. Recap the centrifuge tube. Place the lab sled cup into the lab sled. Place the magnetic pill in the lab sled cup. Plug in the USB-A to USB-A cable into the lab sled and battery pack. Press the battery pack on twice until the circle displays a green light. If you get any liquid on you during the previous processes, replace your gloves so that the electrodes don't get contaminated. Use scissors to cut an electrode from the sheet. Be sure not to scratch the electrodes. Put the electrode into the CDTT main device. Ensure the shiny side is facing towards the center of the device and the 3 metal prongs align with the 3 metal prongs on the adapter. Put the CDTT main device on top of the lab sled so that the electrode enters the bridge of the lab sled cup. Ensure the adapter above the electrode does not get wet. Pre-test preparations. Use the black button on the lab sled to begin stirring the sample. Turn the CDTT main device on by pressing the silver button. Wait for the screen to display the user interface. Operating the interface. Ensure the battery is above 20% to run a test. Press the desired test you would like to run. Test 1 is for samples prepared using solution 1 and it tests for arsenic, lead, copper, cadmium, and mercury. Test 2 is for samples prepared using solution 2 and it tests for zinc. Ensure the sample is stirring the entire time. Wait until the time counts down to 0. Stop stirring the sample when you are prompted to do so. Wait for the program to finish finalizing the results. CDTT Results Analysis. Click See Results. It will show a green, safe, red, unsafe, and or gray, unsure, bar depending on its safety. Click More Details to see the exact concentration of each metal in the sample in parts per billion, as well as a safety statement, based on the EPA limits. You have 3 options from here. Save the results, discard the results, or shut down. Saving results. Click Save if you want to save the results. Click Yes or No if you are done saving in this location. Extracting results. Click Extract on the right side of the main home page. Click Yes or No if you would like to extract all the data. You must extract to a drive. It is not possible to extract directly to a computer. Click Update only when Umbra prompts you. For most systems, the Update button will not be present. Click Shut Down and select Yes to turn off the device. CDTT Troubleshooting. Force Restart Procedure. Hold down the silver power button to force restart the device. After approximately 20 seconds, the screen will turn black and power off. The screen will likely rotate through a few screens before turning off. Charging the CDTT device. Use a 2mm hex key to unscrew the 2 screws from the bottom of the CDTT main device. Remove the green bottom panel. Locate the micro USB port within the main device. Use a micro USB to USB-C cable to plug into the CDTT main device and battery pack. Turn on the battery pack. Let the system charge. Put the screws and panel back in place when CDTT is charged fully. Thank you for watching.